Having your PLM and ERP systems out of sync can create challenges throughout the inventory and order management process. Birlasoft brings a proven economical solution. Birlasoft's iLink PLM adapter solves the integration challenge by connecting leading PLM applications to ERP. iLink facilitates real-time bi-directional flow between your ERP and the PLM. iLink improves the quality of data, reduces organizational inefficiencies, reduces costs, and offers real-time reporting. iLink provides seamless ERP to PLM integration. iLink is native ERP technology, which means your team can support it. It's easy to install and customize. It provides real-time closed-loop updates and has no-cost upgrades. With an average 3-month deployment on a fixed-bid basis, it's simple and easy to deploy. It also supports CRM integration. iLink has the proven lowest total cost of ownership with over 50 successful implementations. Find out if iLink is right for your organization.